What's up, Alchemist Gang? Welcome back to another banger video. If you're new to the channel, make sure you like, comment, subscribe so you never miss another banger upload from me. I'm a life coach. I'm a mindset mentor, spiritual mentor. My name is KO. If you haven't known, welcome to the channel. Next tell by the title today, we're talking about confidence, man. These three things are killing your confidence, and make sure you stay to the end because the last one I'm giving you is going to be a gem. Let's get into it. Number one is negative self-talk, okay? This one's pretty self-explanatory, but I mean, some people don't realize they're killing their confidence by negative self-talk, even if you're just joking with yourself. Man, I suck. Oh, man, I'm not good at that. Hey, man, it's all right. Even if you're joking, you can be like, bro, I ain't gonna lie. Like, and even when you talk about other people, bro, I don't think y'all realize this, but when you talk about other people, it's literally your brain doesn't know whether you're talking to yourself or you're talking to someone else. So when you say negative things, bro, you're just saying it about yourself, bro, because everyone's a reflection of you too at the end of the day. So you keep telling people, oh, you're fat, you're ugly, you're this, you're this, you're this. You're just diminishing your own self-esteem subconsciously, and you don't even realize it. So you need to improve your self-talk. When you improve your self-talk, you start speaking life to yourself, you start speaking life to other people, you're gonna be a lot more confident, bro. I noticed that when I go in public and I go and I help people or I give people compliments, bro, it makes me feel better, bro. If I like someone's shirt, I'm gonna say like their shirt. If their shoes look nice, I'm gonna say like their shoes, and I'm not gonna hold back, and I'm not gonna be this like timid person, bro. I just realized you feel better knowing you just made somebody else's day better. So do not be afraid to speak your truth. And when I mean speak your truth is tell people how you feel about things. If you give people confidence, bro, and stop talking to yourself negative, bro. If you can diminish that, if you can diminish the negative self-talk, speak more life to yourself, speak more life to others, you're gonna see your life really do a full 360. Because some people are like, man, it's really hard for me not to talk negative to myself. It's like a habit. Start writing down affirmations every morning and repeating them to yourself, and they'll be in the back of your subconscious mind. Okay? Write down positive affirmations. Write down what you're grateful for. This will eventually start to shift the way you view yourself. It'll shift the way you think. And then you'll start to naturally start speaking positive about yourself. Now, number two is comparing yourself to other people in real life or on social media. I don't know if you ever heard of it, but comparison is a thief of all joy. Bro, statistically proven, 88% of women and 65% of men compare themselves to people on social media. And it's so crazy because sometimes you don't even realize you're doing it. But people can post their highlight reels on social media. Sometimes people are not living the life that they show on social media. And some people actually are living a life they post on social media. But that doesn't matter, because what really matters is your life. What are you doing every day? How are you taking action? We are in this mind frame now where we feel like we have to be so much farther ahead than we are, or way more further ahead than we have to be, because we see everyone else doing all this successful shit on the internet. When literally, bro, you just need to follow your journey, because everybody's journey is different. Everybody is going to reach that destination, but everyone's path is different. And it's definitely easier said than done, bro, but you gotta just have faith in where you're going, your journey. You gotta have faith that, man, things are working out, bro. Think about the old days, man, when you were younger. You and your friends, you go play outside in the playground, bro. Y'all used to watch, Disney shows, and you would wake up early in the morning and look at the news, see if it was a snow day, and then you would stay at home and play the game or watch some shows on Disney Channel, Nickelodeon, eat Captain Crunch, and all the stuff that, when there was like less worries in life, right? When you didn't have to worry about bills and responsibilities, and you look back like, man, that was such a good time in life. Our high school, like, damn, that was such a good time in life. That was definitely like a highlight reel. It was like fun. It was exciting. It was very, less worrisome. And we took that moment for granted, and now we're older. We want to be older so bad, and of course, being an adult is amazing, but it has its downsides. Worrying about bills and staying afloat and being successful and figure out what we want to do for our 20s, and it's so much stuff, and it's crazy. But you really just have to understand where you're at in your journey and appreciate where you're at, because you're gonna look back on this exact moment like, man, I remember when I was that young. I wish I took action there. I wish I didn't spend so much time thinking about other people. I wish I didn't spend so much time in my head. Things were never really that important. Bro, every time I talk to an older person, they always say this when I ask them, like, bro, how much do you care about other people's opinions now compared to back then? They're like, not at all. But they realize that no one cared in the fucking first place. They don't care about the opinions of others because they never even mattered in the first place, bro. They never even mattered in the first place. So it's super, super crazy, bro. It's like, I guess it makes a lot of sense because, some people don't think that way. Some people just, go on about life and they just, every time you see somebody think that they're looking at them, bro, it's not that big of a deal, bro. You're in your own world. You're not as important as you think you are. Now, number three, this is my bonus tip, bro. This is one thing that I really, really am found on. I use this shit every day, and this will really build my confidence, okay? It is keeping the promises with yourself. All right, keep the promise with yourself. Stop lying to yourself. Don't tell yourself you're going to do something and don't do it. Every time you tell yourself you're going to do something and you don't do it, your level of confidence and trust in yourself diminishes. You know what? I'm about to start going to the gym. Actually, tomorrow I'm gonna wake up and go get me a gym membership. Tomorrow I'm gonna wake up and do some push-ups. Tomorrow I'm gonna wake up and make me some breakfast. Tomorrow I'm gonna wake up and record a video. And you don't do any of those, you're gonna notice how slow your day goes, how less confident you feel that day, how less focused you feel, how less competent you feel. Because competence builds confidence. Confidence, when you're good at something, you build confidence. So you need to understand that the promises that you keep with yourself is what's going to get you to the next level. Imagine if your friend told you he's going to go to the gym with you 5 days a week, and the 4 out of 5 days he like, oh well, I'm busy, or I gotta do this, or I'm sorry I can't come today. And on the 5th day he says, all right, I'm coming. Do you think he's gonna come or not? You're like, nah. Like, the chances of him coming are very slim. He said no to all the 4 days, was just for the 5th. You know, you have no faith that he's gonna come. You don't trust him. You know, and it's just like that, bro. Your own brain don't even trust you, bro. Like, you gotta keep it real with yourself, man. A lot of y'all don't trust yourself. That's why when y'all play sports, or y'all do different things, or you commit to a challenge, you commit to a business, or you commit to something, y'all don't have that confidence that y'all can do it. You're like, man, but I don't know if I can do that, man. I don't know if I can be a good athlete. I don't know if I can be a good writer. I don't know if I can be a good content creator. It's because you don't keep the promise with yourself. You never did something that you told yourself you was gonna do for a long enough time. So you don't have that relationship with yourself. So all you gotta do is start something new, commit to it, and you're gonna slowly see your confidence build. What I like to do, what really gets me going, is I'll create a task list for the morning before I go to bed. Wake up, do 100 push-ups, 3 sets of 15 of bicep curls, drink a whole bottle of water, meditate, journal, go for a run, workout, whatever it might be, and I will make sure that I complete all 7 of the goddamn things that I put on my morning routine, and my confidence for the day is through the roof. It's because you're accomplishing shit. When you get shit off the list, your brain is in this mentality of just you're doing good. It's called small wins, bro. When you get the small wins, you feel so much more confident. You feel so much more better about yourself, bro. So that's a free game for y'all, bro. Free game. You know what I'm saying? And that's what changed my life. And that's why I walk around the way I walk around, because I'd be putting that work behind closed doors. Man, do that. Put that grind in silence, bro. Put that work in behind the closed doors, and then show them the success. That's how you do it. And then you pop your shit. You feel me? But I love it, Alchemist Gang. I really hope this video has helped y'all, man. If it really did, comment down below. I'm chosen. If you guys want some one-on-one coaching, man, I love y'all. And I'm seeing you on the next video. Peace.